Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe, stock number 7085. It's ran from the 6th 2015 to the 2nd 2018. It's a T4 HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a T4 HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 18-inch factory mega tyre, left hand door mirror. Left rear 18-inch factory mega tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory mega tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight has some scratches and needs polish, right front 18-inch factory mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,